Hello student, welcome back to Nice Math Olympiad Problem. In this problem, we are finding value of x if 16 into power x plus 1 is equal to 144. Now 16 into x plus 1 is equal to 144. Now n to m plus n is equal to n to power m into n to power n. Now 16 into power x into 16 into power 1 is equal to 144. In next 16 into powers x is equal to 144. This divided by 16, this divided by 16, this cut by this cut by this, remain 16 into x is equal to 144 divided by 16, and this will be 144 divided by 16. After calculation we get 9. Taking log on both sides, log of 16x is equal to log of 9. Log 16x is equal to log 9, and this will be log of m into p is equal to p log of m. We use this formula in here. X log of 16 is equal to log of 9. So this divided by log of 16, this divided by log of 16, this cut by this, even x is equal to log of 9 divided by log of 16. Log of a divided by log of b is equal to log of a base b. Now we write x is equal to log of 9 base 16, and now this is our x, and now we are verifying the value of x. Now we are verifying this x 16 into x plus 1 is equal to 144. This is our question, and now we are verifying this. 16 into log of 9 into 16 plus 1 is equal to 144. In next step, 16 into log of 9 base 16 into 16 into 1 is equal to 144. Now in next step we write log of 16 cut by this 16 and remain 9 into in next step 16 into x plus 1 is 144, and 9 of 16 is 144. 4. Now our left hand side is equal to right hand side, and our answer is now verified. Thank you for watching video till end. Subscribe for more Olympiad math problem. If you have any question or session, write in comment box. Our answer is value of x is equal to log of 9 base 16. Goodbye.